Hey guys, today I'm going to be unboxing the Colourpop and Bratz doll collection. I'm so excited for this. So this got released like, I don't know, a couple of weeks ago or something like that. And I saw it on their page and I was so excited for it. And then the other day it showed up at my work. So thank you so much Colourpop for sending this over. I am so grateful. So let's get into it and start unboxing. So first things first, we have our super cute little card. It says 1-800-BRATZ, so cute. And it says we have an eyeshadow palette, lippy kits, BFF liquid liner, glitterly obsessed, so juicy plumping gloss, and individual hair and face crystals. Me and my sister, we were Bratz doll girls, so this is so exciting. This is like such a what do you call it? Like a little nostalgic moment for me. Nostalgic? I don't know. Whatever you call it. But anyway, so first thing we have here, these little crystals are super cute. So that's how they look there. So cute. We've got our little girls down the bottom. Love them. I think I was a Jade, you know, like I loved Jade so much. Low-key I wanted to be a Chloe, but I was never going to be a Chloe. I was a Jade. Okay, so we have lip kits for each of the girls, which is so exciting. So let's have a look at them. So the first one we have here is Jade. I'm just trying to think if I should do swatches now. I think I'm gonna like do a whole collection review, so I'm not gonna do swatches of the lip kits yet, but anyway. So we have the Cool Cat lip pencil and the Cool Cat lippy stick. So cute. Love her. Then we have Yasmin, and she has the Pretty Princess lippy pencil and Pretty Princess lippy stick. So cute. We have our Sasha. She has Bunny Boo lippy pencil and Bunny Boo lippy stick. I love the names. These are so cute. And then for Chloe, we have Angel lippy stick and lippy pencil. So I'm so excited to try those out. They look like such nice shades. They're all obviously quite like neutral, and I feel like they match the girls' vibes, which is super cute. But yeah, I'll do swatches in the like actual collection try on, because I will definitely be filming one of those. Okay, this is the So Juicy Plumping Gloss, and I absolutely love this. It's in the shade Girls Rule. Let's have a look at her. Like, I just love this so much. It's so like Bratz coated. Like, I don't know, I feel like they've just got this so spot on. I will give this one a swatch because it's like open girl. What the hell is that? Something weird came out of mine. I don't know if it's what it is, but anyway, it smells very minty. Love that. So it looks just clear, to be honest, and yet is very minty. I love the So Juicy Plumping glosses. I think they're so nice. Let's put a bit on, shall we? Love it. And yeah, I love that they've done a little squeezy tube. I just think that's so cute. Love that. We have two BFF liners here. We have 2001, which is just like so crazy. Like, I'm a 2000 baby. I was born in 2000. And like, I don't know. And then the other one is called Super Styling. So I will swatch these because I feel like they're a bit easier to swatch than lip kits. First, I'll just show you the packaging. It looks like we have a pink and a purple. So cute. Got Sabrina Carpenter stuck in my head. Cute. So it looks like they're all black, and then it's got Bratz written on it. Very cute. Very Bratz. Oh, that's such a nice shade of pink. So yeah, this one is called Super Styling. Yeah, I love that. That's so like, yeah, I've really nailed that shade. Love that. Then we have 2001, which is our purple shade. Cute. And this one's the same. It's all black, and then it has Bratz written on it in purple. Oh, these shades together. They're so like, just so Bratz coated. Love it. They've really, really hit the nail on the head with this one, which I am very happy about because I feel like Bratz has a very special place in my heart. We went to Toy World the other day actually, and I had like all the Bratz dolls, and oh, I really wanted to buy one. I really want to get, I think I will get one at some point and display it in my room. Because yeah, I did have a lot of good times with my Bratz dolls. Okay, we have two Glitterly Obsessed. These are the body glitter gels. So we have Bratz. Oh, this one's stunning. Yeah, love that. Love the packaging. But look at that shade. How pretty is that? Obsessed. And then the other one we have is called Gratitude. This one looks like it's a lot more pink. It's like a hot pink. They are so cute. I know you're not meant to put Glitterly Obsessed on your eyes, but oh, they're so good. This smells so good as well. It smells like glue that I had when I was like in kindergarten and stuff. But anyway, I just love those. I think they're so pretty. Love them. And the main star. This is the Bratz palette. And I think it's just called Bratz. And it's got all of our little girlies on the front. Love them so much. So, yeah, I just love the packaging of this. I feel like, I don't know, I'm just obsessed. This is just so, like, touching a piece of my heart. I don't know. And yeah, I don't know. I just feel like they've done such a good job of, like, the shades and the packaging. Like, this literally feels like it's straight out of the 2000s, and I love it. It's really sweet. There it is there. A palette in all of its glory. So stunning. And I don't know, I just love this as well. Like, I just feel like the packaging is so, like, spot on. You know, it'd be so cool if they did, like, a Bratz rock... Was it Rock Angels or something? Or was that what they were called? If they did a Bratz, like, Rock Angels collection. And I love that the Bratz movie. Where do they go? They go to, like... Maybe it is the Rock Angels movie. I don't know. But anyway... I feel like I should watch some Bratz movies actually, because I don't know. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching this video, and thank you so much to Colourpop for sending this over. I love you so much. Yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!